Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a science experiment. Yup, you know it. You got it. Take it away. I'm trying the best to bring some interesting experiments that I know that you will feel very attracted to. This one has to do with um, food coloring, just one, and water, but we're going to use something to make it look like rain. So one of the things that rain has besides water is cloud. And the only way to make clouds is with shaving cream. What kind of shaving cream? Well, this shaving cream called Barbasol makes the clouds look awesome. I've done this before, and as you see, I'm trying to set it up so that you can see my video. And I'm going to shake it a little bit more because I have already here a glass of water, or it could be a jar. You know, I don't have a jar, but you can use a jar. And what we're doing is we're shaking to make sure that the foam is ready to come out. Okay? After that, we're going to use a few drops of blue food coloring because we want to make sure that this is on looking like rain coming down, because water is usually painted in blue because that's what represents the color, but it's not necessarily the color, because if you see, water is transparent, right? So I'm going to open, and if you see, Barbasol has like that weird tip right there. That's where it's going to come out. So you need to press here very hard, facing this into the cup. So like this. Alright? So I'm a right-handed, and I'm going to do it this way. Let's see if it comes out. There it is. And that's the cloud. You see? That's a cloud. Do I need more? No. Only if I have more space for it. Now that I have the cloud, now that I have the clear water, now I want to make it rain. So I'm going to put a few drops of food coloring into what you will see look like rain coming from the clouds. You see it? Can you see it? Exactly. It looks like rain. This is exactly what happens when it rains. All the clouds come together, and they get so much water that all of a sudden it starts to drip down and down and down. In this case, it's food coloring. But I like it because I know that some of my students in the past, especially the first year that I did this, oh, they fell in love with it. They wanted to do this no matter what. There was another center, they wanted to do this. And I was very happy to have them do it. So what's going on? Well, let's see. We had clear water. The water is now changing because it's now in the color of blue. But we have this cloud here still waiting for it to give in more color. Right? When it rains, this is what the rain brings down. That's why you need to cover yourself with a raincoat or a an umbrella. Why? You don't want to get this that you see in the blue. You don't want to get that on your clothes or on your head. In science, it's called acid rain. And if you've never seen it before, look at the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty was not that color that you see now. The Statue of Liberty was the color of copper. And copper is a different color. Copper is the color of my glasses. Look at my glasses. You see? That's copper. So when you had that as the Statue of Liberty, and then all of a sudden it turns into some kind of green, where did that came from? It's what we call in science acid rain. That's what it's called. Do all structures go through that? Well, some roofs on houses do get that. Some houses don't because they have a good drainage and they're able to slide it down immediately as the rain starts to fall. But in statues, like anywhere else besides the Statue of Liberty, wherever you see a statue, that statue is not going to be the original color that it was made. It's going to come out with this that you see here. So, is it dangerous? To an extent, not to your life, but it's not good to be not covered. You need to cover yourself with an umbrella, or you need to cover yourself with a raincoat and a rain hat, and make sure that you don't get that on you. But this is the lesson for science. I hope you liked it. I hope you get to do it and make some pictures and take some pictures, alright? And I will see you tomorrow because we don't have Google Meet today. We have it tomorrow. Alright? I mean, we don't have it tomorrow. What am I talking about? We're having it next week. So there's no Google Meet today, Thursday. There's no Google Meet on Fridays. So I will see you on Friday on the videos like now. And then we'll see each other next week. Alright? School is almost over. Enjoy it. Bye.